All right. So just this is actually ready to, we can read it. We will now walk through a configuration wizard for each of the following products. Okay, go to next, and we see development computer, configure type, and the port number is by default 3306. Okay, 3306. Then just click on next. Now we have two options. Okay, you want this or this. This is recommended, so I just go and click next. Okay, now password, actually you can set it up as you want. I just say admin and repeat the password admin. Okay, root password says weak, not a problem. If you want to add user, you can do it. I'm not doing it. Okay, and standard system account or customer user. Standard system account, then execute. Actually, writing configuration file, updating Windows firewall rules, adjusting Windows services. Okay, these are the configuration steps. Okay, executes, and it will execute one by one. Okay, initializing database may take a long time sometimes. Okay, and actually we are applying the configuration. Okay, now we have to wait some time. I hope it will not take much longer time. Actually, it should not take more than half a minute. Okay. And now we can see the configuration operation has completed, and the configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.22 was successful. And just I click finish. So MySQL Server, no, okay, actually finish. Now MySQL Server is already installed on my computer, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can also download and install SQL Workbench, and we will integrate this MySQL Server with MySQL Workbench, because we need that to map the object relational or the backend or write our commands. Okay, so that's all for today, and tomorrow I will show you how we can download and install the SQL Workbench and how we can integrate both and how we can work on it. All right. So thank you so much. If you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. Thank you.